Hey YouTube, it's your girl Rihanna and I'm back with another video.
Just see those sleigh bells jingling, ring, tingle-tingling. Come on, it's a lovely weather for
Merry Vlogmas Day 11. Why you screw it up?
Because he forgot that fast.
5, okay. 3, 2, 1.
Merry Vlogmas Day 11.
I said it.
No,
You was late.
Man, look.
And all I heard was like bits and pieces. Merry Vlogmas Day 11.
Merry Vlogmas Day 11.
Okay. 3, 2, 1.
Merry Vlogmas Day 11. Better? Better? Better?
What?
Oh, okay. Today we're going to be doing today we're going to be doing a review of the Dairy Queen's Winter Blizzards. So we have two of the flavor of the months, which are the Candy Cane Chill Blizzard and the Frosted Sugar Cookie Blizzard. And then we also have the Hot Cocoa Blizzard. So, yeah.
That sounds interesting.
Which one do y'all want to try first?
You said a cocoa blizzard?
Yeah, I said the hot.
First.
I'll try that first.
Okay.
That's chocolate.
So, yeah, this is chocolate. So this is, I got the little minis.
I'm not a chocolate person, so we finna see how this finna go. I'm interested for this sugar cookie.
No, I'm telling you to move your spoon out the way.
Oh,
Well, actually, wait.
yes, I was trying to get it out.
Is that enough?
Yeah, it's good. It's good. Look kind of like it's melting bad.
Yeah. Have you traveled?
I ain't gonna lie, I was locked in on this pepper, y'all, and she came in and disrupted me.
Okay, y'all ready? 3, 2, 1. I think I like it.
It's good. It's definitely hot chocolate.
Mm-hmm.
Pretty good.
I really like hot chocolate and I like chocolate in general. So. Yeah.
I like hot chocolate, but I don't like chocolate ice cream. But this is good.
Okay. What do y'all rate it?
I give it an 8.
I give it an 8.5.
I give it an 8.
Okay.
It's good.
What's funny?
Oh man, I was just thinking about stuff.
Okay, so honestly, I don't really know. I'm guessing this one's the candy cane one. That definitely is the candy cane one.
Bro, damn, I can't laugh.
Okay. I'm just gonna put this once again. You're not healthy.
I'm too goofy, I'm sorry.
Thank you.
So this one is the Candy Cane Chill. I don't like peppermint for real. Or candy cane? I don't know. Okay, let's just taste it. 3, 2, 1.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
Hey, it's a candy cane. What y'all rate it?
Oh shit. I'll give it a 7.
I give it a 10.
I give it a 6.
So you disappointed.
Yeah. I mean, it's okay. Just like candy cane ice cream. Mm-hmm. But you like it.
Like that.
Okay, so the last one is frosted sugar cookie.
I'm excited for this one.
I really have high hopes for this one.
Yeah.
Frosted sugar cookie.
Because it's like, it's reminding me of the cookies, you know, from Walmart. The sugar cookie. You know what I'm talking about?
I got you.
Yeah, okay. Oh, look at the cake pieces. Or
That's
cookie
what I
pieces.
want. It looks so good.
You love cake, don't you?
What'd you say?
You love cake, don't you?
Actually, no.
Well,
He just tried to come for me.
Okay,
right
that's
now.
a cake piece. Okay.
I haven't said. Never mind. I'm gonna
Thank you.
appreciate it.
Mm-hmm.
I ain't got right. Would you? Excuse me.
3, 2, 1. That's a weird texture.
Yeah.
I taste the cake pieces. This is like a little cake with icing.
That's some stale cake pieces.
I give it a 7.
I give it a 7.5.
I give it a 4.
The peppermint one was better.
I really had high hopes for that one.
Well,
I give it like 4.5.
that happened.
So your favorite was the peppermint. My favorite was the hot cocoa.
My favorite was the chocolate.
The hot cocoa.
Hot cocoa. Damn, my bad. don't do that. What you mean?
Okay, so in general, what's y'all's favorite blizzards at Dairy Queen? Strawberry cheesecake. Ain't nothing topping it. Nothing.
I say the chocolate brownie extreme because I just love chocolate and that one's fire. But that strawberry cheesecake is fire too.
Alright, me, all I really get is either strawberry or just vanilla. Kind of basic.
That's real basic.
Oh, so
And the cookie dough one.
just off ice cream.
The cookie dough one is good too.
I'm just saying. Oh, that one is good. I'm just saying all the flavors at Dairy Queen. It's not like you at Chick-fil-A and you got like chocolate, vanilla, strawberry, cookies and cream.
Well, damn.
But like you got all them flavors.
Well, friend, my bad because I don't go to ice cream places and try everything.
So what's your favorite ice cream place?
I'll say Dairy Queen. Bro, I don't hardly go out like that for ice cream. Damn, is that deep?
No,
I think I'm just a dessert person.
I'm not getting mad. You said what?
I think I'm just a dessert person. We already know that though. Anyways, y'all have anything else to say?
Well,
Go get you one. Get the peppermint.
I'm gonna say this. I enjoyed the time with my friends and most love and respect for them.
Thank y'all for watching this video. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see y'all tomorrow.